this is how we bring Sundays to an end, guys, with a bit of sweet. That's right. This one is called Sweet Endings, and we have a host of cake pastry artists that will pass through the show, and I have one of my very favorite ladies back on the show. This is your second time, Rebecca?
Yes.
Second time on the show. Rebecca Williams is her name, and she is the lady behind a brand of these lovely cakes called RAWS Creations. I got that right?
Correct.
Yeah, RAW. It's not Raw Creations, RAWS. Because RAWS is actually your initials.
Yes.
Rebecca
Anushka Williams.
So don't interfere with the lady name. It's RAWS Creations. So Rebecca is going to show us today how to do a simple Christmas fruit parfait. So for those of you like me, who I'm not into these fancy desserts and so on, what is a parfait?
A parfait, basically, you know, just like we'll make a treat or a dessert.
Right.
A fancy name to the twist, where you can add some Baileys to the cake and spice it up a bit.
Right.
So in this glass, we have red velvet with a cream cheese buttercream.
Layered.
Layered.
Nice.
Another layer. And it is drizzled on the inside with a Baileys dressing on the cake.
So this one, that one's spiked.
Right.
The other one is marked.
We have some with Ciroc, pineapple, pina colada, Ciroc. And you can spice it up based on your desire. Whatever you...
You're not an alcoholic.
No.
But you just throw alcohol in all your...
But I can just craft anything
Serious?
that comes to mind.
Okay, so this is alcohol spiked parfaits.
No, we also have it.
You have non-alcoholic as well.
Correct.
Yeah, but I'm interested in the alcohol. So Rebecca is going to show us how to do these. Rebecca, let's go. What are we doing?
Fruits that you have everyday fruits.
Right.
Some
Christmas fruits, grapes.
Yes,
yeah.
strawberries, kiwi.
Right.
So we'll take one of the cups. We'll take a spoon. And we just put a layer to the bottom.
So this is very simple for you to do at home, guys.
Correct.
Yeah.
You know, even for the cake artists that have to shave cakes into different shapes.
Yes.
And you're thinking you have a wastage.
Right. You know wastage.
Correct. You use it, crumble it.
And you can get a parfait.
Correct.
That's right.
That's a whole nother dessert.
So don't waste the cake. If you think the end of the cake, you can crumble up the cake and...
Correct. See,
right.
you get a nice layer.
Wow. And then another layer. Another
Correct.
layer of
And
cake.
you will do that one.
I'll do this one. This one looks like the one that are more technical now. This one is more technical, so I'll handle this one, Rebecca.
Or you can change up the flavor.
I can mix. I can mix.
We'll do it on the next one.
Okay.
This one is
so a nice layer here.
right.
Yeah.
And you can use this.
No, you handle that one. I do the technical part.
This is fun. And you make it nice. You cover the insides.
Yeah. And I always say when you
You
guys
can leave it like this.
Yeah.
You have a nice rose pattern
or I can do a nice little gentle sprinkle.
Correct.
In the middle. Yeah.
You want board, you want board, you want board.
You see?
Correct, and you have a parfait.
I have a parfait.
Less than 2 minutes.
Do you think about that when you guys pass through these fancy things now are available for the home baker to use now? It's available.
Yes,
you can go and buy it anywhere.
Correct.
Yeah. What do you do?
Any design you're looking at, you can get them.
You can get them.
Even when I do the fancy roses,
right.
It has a tube with this silver part,
right.
which is called the tube. You can get a tube, which is about $35.
Yeah.
That will actually so when you squeeze, you will actually get the rose impression rather than you have to do the intricate detailing.
Right. So it's really designed for the amateur almost.
Correct.
Yeah, that can't. So this, guys, is mashed up
crumble cake.
Crumble cake, and you can make it into a fancy little thing like that. What else we do? We do with this cup.
And you can add the fruit.
The fruit. How are we adding the fruit?
Same procedure. A layer of... You can put cake at the bottom, or you can put...
You wanted to use this one?
Yes. We'll mix it.
Mix it.
You can put cake at the bottom. A layer of buttercream. If you have whatever alcohol of your preference.
So I was about to ask, because this is no alcohol. I can sprinkle the alcohol when?
On the cake.
On the cake.
Correct.
Before
you can sprinkle it here, or you can sprinkle it when you put it in, so you have it actually soaking in.
Settling and soaking there.
Correct.
Nice, I like that.
And you put a layer. Now you can layer it however you choose. You could lay it with the cakes like this, or you could put the fruit in place of, at one level, in place of the cake.
Right. Can I do 2 layers of alcohol?
Yes,
Yeah.
you can put it as strong as you wish. However you can contain it.
Yeah.
Nice. And then on this one, we can have
Strawberries.
some strawberries. Nice slice.
Rebecca, you put the thing, please. Oh, it's flat. I thought it was a fancy thing. It was
No,
really, I thought
I
it was
just sliced
fancy.
it for you.
But no, but this is gorgeous. I mean, simple like that. Crumbled cake.
Correct.
And that's just
Buttercream.
Buttercream.
Cream cheese, buttercream, cake, some fruits that you have in the fridge.
One more, the cupcake.
Yes.
So what do you
And
do with it?
this-
So this is a normal, you bake a normal cupcake.
A normal sponge cupcake.
Right.
I drizzled it with a little Ciroc. It's a holiday, you know? Time to relax, wind down.
Her name is Rebecca Williams. She likes vodka.
And you make
Nice. What are we doing with this one now?
simple, a simple
Simple as
rose
that.
design. And you can decorate it with some fruits on top
I
of your
find it- I
choice.
find it what you like. I have to decorate it with fruits and stuff.
I just
You
want
just-
you.
You want to get creative. You want to get creative.
Yeah,
So I can just slice this.
Correct.
So this is kiwi.
Correct. Any fruit you
Any
wish.
fruit you wish. Yeah.
You can mix and match. You can put piece of strawberry with the kiwi.
Alright, so how you know I had that in mind? I like color. You know, I like color. So I do a. So I could just go. I just put one slice of the strawberry. Oh Lord, Father, yes.
See? And you have your holiday cupcake.
The only problem is I didn't bring alcohol for me to douse it with. Guys, her name is Rebecca Williams. Check her out on social media as RAWS with an S. Apostrophe S it is?
Apostrophe S.
RAWS Creations. And you take orders this holidays?
Yes, I do.
For-
Bread, cake, sweet bread, pastels, anything that comes to mind.
You doing pastels too?
Recrafted, edible. Yep.
I ordered pasta.
Veggie,
I
you
ordered
can have
pastas
veggie
this
pastas,
year.
meat
No,
pastas.
yeah, but I ordered pastas this year. I
No
don't type,
problem.
so I ordered pastas this year. Rebecca, thank you very much, my darling. Check out the easy to do, guys. Very, very simple. Christmas fruit parfaits.
Correct.
And Rebecca has showed us how to do this morning. Thank you very much. RAWS Creation, Rebecca Williams is her name, guys. We're going to thank her to ending off this Sunday on a sweet note, sweet endings here on A Cup of